Our final thing for today are parallel lines. Parallel lines in geometry are marked by two lines that are side by side because they are lines that never touch, so they look like railroad tracks. What is key for today is that the parallel lines have the same slope. Now, perpendicular lines are geometry symbols in upside down T. They cross at 90 degrees or a right angle. And for today, we really need to know that the slopes are negative reciprocal. That means I'm going to flip the sign of my, if it's positive, it will become negative. If it's negative, it will become positive. And make the fraction, the reciprocal, flip the fraction upside down. So we are going to write the equation of each line in slope-intercept form. So for A, example 4A, parallel to y equals 1.5x plus 6 through the point 4, 5. Okay, so we need to remember that I'm going to write M parallel. So our parallel slope, here's our current slope is 1.5. Our parallel slope is still 1.5 because the slopes are the same. All this information here, we do not need this anymore because we are now going through this point. So just like what we did on our last one, we have to put it in either point slope form or slope intercept and solve for y. So we have y minus y1 was our 5 equals m 1.5 parentheses x minus x1, which is 4. Okay, now we have to simplify this, and to do that we need to distribute in that 1.5. So we've got this here and here. So y minus 5 equals 1.5x, and 1.5 times negative 4 makes negative 6. To move this negative 5, we have to plus 5 here and here. So y equals 1.5x, and negative 6 plus 5 makes negative 1. And that is our new line. Now we're going to do perpendicular to y equals negative 3 over 4x plus 2, and to the point 6, negative 4. So our original slope was negative 3 over 4. Our perpendicular slope, we have to do a negative. So it's already negative, so negative, negative makes a positive. And we want to do the reciprocal, which means I take my fraction and flip it upside down. So 4 over 3. Now I've got to write the equation of the line. So through this point, x1, y1, y minus y1, so y minus negative 4 equals your slope, your new slope, which is this one now, right here. So 4 thirds x minus x1, which is 6. Simplify. Okay, excuse me. So we have to do the double negative with that 4 there. And so this is now plus. So y plus 4 equals, and distribute, 4 thirds x. 4 thirds times negative 6 makes negative 8. Have to move our 4, so minus your 4. Y equals 4 thirds x minus 12. And that's our equation of that line. Now C, same idea. Parallel to y equals 5x minus 3 and through 1, 4. So our slope of a parallel line is the same. So 5 through this point, x1, y1. Y minus 4 equals 5, parentheses, x minus 1. Distribute, so y minus 4 equals 5x minus 5. you have to add your 4. So y equals 5x minus 1. I want you to try it for D, E, and F. So D is perpendicular to y equals 5, 6, x minus 7, and through 0, negative 2. E, parallel to y equals 1.8x plus 3, and through 5, 2. And F, perpendicular to y equals negative 3x minus 1, and through the point 9, negative 2.